Hello again at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. Today we have iPhone 14 need glass replacement. The main display, the Apple original one, is still working fine. Only the glass is shattered, and we need to do only glass replacement to keep the original iPhone Apple screen still working. So today I will show you how to do replacement. So just don't forget to subscribe in the channel and like the video. And you have any question, you can visit our website or call us at 416-587-7105. So this is the good practice for removing the glass. This is the safest way, like, to take out the glass without damaging the LCD. So after we remove the glass, now we need to remove the OCA glue. We need to clean the screen, make sure there's no any glue left. Again, if you have any iPhone or iPad or Apple Watch, you need glass replacement, please give us a call at 416-587-7105. You can book an appointment and visit our store here, Richmond Hill, Ontario. With this process, you can save money. Instead of like you change the whole screen, you can just do the glass. We can do it for all iPads, Pro, 11-inch, Air and Mini, and we can do it for all iPhones screens. There's a little bit glue here. I need to make sure it's being removed. Yeah. So now it's time to put the main LCD to the new glass. Now we'll put it inside the machine. So now it's the time to put it inside the machine.